Hello, everyone out there. I had a thought this evening. Did the Avengers kill more people in Endgame than Thanos did in Infinity War? Spoilers up ahead, but you have to think about something. At the end of Infinity War, Thanos snapped his finger, and we see a plane fly out of the sky and crash into a building. We're just guessing that half the passengers disappeared. I guess the other half died in a crash. So Tony Stark instructs the Hulk not to change anything, bring everybody forward. Did those people appear at 20,000 feet? What if somebody's driving on the interstate? Did they appear in the middle of the interstate? Did a car runs them over? Also, when Thanos eliminates half the population, it's not as big as an economic impact. It's a big economic impact, but you only have to produce half the resources because half the population disappears. When Avengers brings the population back, that doubles the population with the half the production rate that they have for the past 5 years. So how many people starved to death? How many people didn't have enough medicine for diseases? It also brings about, that's just Earth. What if you were sailing on the ocean and then 5 years later you're literally in the ocean and there's no boat? Spaceships traveling from one planet to another. Families or large cruise ships like we see in Thor Ragnarok. Half the people disappear. Do they reappear in the middle of space? We don't know. So is it possible that the Avengers actually killed more people than Thanos? Because Thanos, even though he killed half the universe, they undid that. So his body count goes back up to a lower level. So, and before that, he's having to manually round people up planet by planet, which takes time to eliminate them and eliminate half of them. So the question becomes, where did these people that came back from 5 years wind up? Did they wind up safely? Did they wind on the ground, or did they wind up where they were? So that's a question I haven't seen answered. And we do know that the Hulk tried to manipulate some things, because Tony Stark told him to bring everybody forward. We can't lose what we gained. But the Hulk mentions at the end of the movie he tried to bring Natasha back, but he was unable to do so. So he may have tried to manipulate something, but we don't know what the extent of that manipulation was. So that's just a thought I had. When the Avengers bring everyone back, what kind of devastation does that cause economically, and to those people, where they were, where did they reappear? Anyway, it's throughout the whole universe too. So that's going to be on a bigger scale than just a planet at a time that Thanos had to do.